Chapter 12 National Games Afghanistan Buzkashi Buzkashi is the national sport of Afghanistan, often described as one of the most intense and rugged equestrian games in the world. It involves horse-mounted players trying to grab a goat carcass and carry it across a goal line. The sport symbolizes strength, endurance, and teamwork. Bangladesh Kabaddi Kabaddi is the national sport of Bangladesh, deeply rooted in the country's rural traditions. It is a fast-paced game where players raid the opposing team's area while holding their breath and chanting Kabaddi. The game emphasizes agility, strategy, and physical endurance. Brazil Capoeira Capoeira is a unique Brazilian martial art that combines elements of dance, acrobatics, and music. Developed by African slaves, it is now a celebrated cultural heritage of Brazil. The sport is performed in a circular formation called a roda, accompanied by rhythmic music. England cricket is the most popular sport in England and has deep historical roots dating back to the 16th century. It is played in multiple formats, from traditional test matches to fast-paced T20 games. England played a crucial role in spreading cricket worldwide through its colonial influence. Italy Calcio, particularly Calcio Storico, is an ancient and violent form of football originating in Florence, Italy. It is a mix of soccer, rugby, and wrestling, played in historical costumes. The game is a symbol of strength, tradition, and local pride. Scotland Golf originated in Scotland, with the first recorded game played in the 15th century. St. Andrews, known as the home of golf, remains one of the most iconic courses in the world. The sport requires precision, patience, and strategic thinking. South Korea Taekwondo is a traditional Korean martial art that emphasizes powerful kicks, agility, and discipline. It is not only a sport but also an important part of Korean culture and identity. Today, Taekwondo is practiced worldwide and is an official Olympic sport. Poland Football is the most popular sport in Poland, with a passionate fan base and competitive domestic leagues. The Polish national team has achieved international success, notably winning a bronze medal in the 1974 FIFA World Cup. Football fosters national pride and unity among Polish citizens. Sri Lanka Volleyball is the national sport of Sri Lanka and is widely played across the country. Introduced in the early 20th century, the sport has gained immense popularity in schools and local communities. Sri Lanka has participated in various international volleyball tournaments, showcasing its talent. Japan Sumo wrestling is Japan's national sport and has a history dating back over 1,500 years. It is a highly ritualistic sport where wrestlers, known as rikishi, compete in a circular ring called the dohi. Sumo is deeply connected to Shinto traditions and remains a major part of Japanese culture. Fun fact: the national game of Russia is bandy. Bandy is a type of ice hockey.